G'day, here's a little deal of Boulder Opal pieces from central Queensland. They're mostly small pieces, as you can see, mostly faces. Material's been wetted. It looks a bit like a bit of white opal. Mostly potch there. Nice vivid blues. It's quite an undulating piece that need to be finished with a Dremel. The red showing there. Electric greens. Black on that's been marked out by the cutter. Don't know why it's marked there, it should be over here perhaps. Bit of matrix type material. Potch, reds and golds. It's only thin this piece, but it's got some nice reds there. That potch make a long skinny stone, then another one over here perhaps. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. A lot of pieces to play with. Cheers.